venue to be confirmed. It's called the Rebel Music Tour. Very proud to be part of that, and very pleased to be putting on this next band who sort of epitomise in many ways what I feel Repeat Fanzine and Repeat Records is all about, as in they are young, intelligent, full of energy and anger and articulateness and so on. And I'm very pleased to record their first record, which came out last April, was it? And there's something new coming very soon, fingers crossed. So they've come all the way from Newport, so it'd be good if people maybe want to stand up, come a tiny bit closer and make a big noise, definitely. Please for Primitive Soul. Right.
Hello, we're Primitive Soul, and this new song's called Not a Tear to Scratch.